you just comes back with highly one and say, oh, one, where is name reason. Or you call, let me tell you the truth. I want one years old, only 2 reasons. One, I'm with because he just happened the marriage that nigga misbehave. One, open a dignity here. If you are my sister, I would advise you to leave the marriage. 2, open a digging a shit on you. I would advise you to leave the marriage. In what any reason, he did reply by Igakwa Bobaniro. Anyway, let me feel like now Otokamoto and a about it happened here was it now and I check it or the mod Roma.
What the 1 minute before you can you Mano how one platform Simo do my husband in America, I'm going 4 years. My husband in Italy, I'm going 6 years. My husband in Canada, I'm going 8 years. My husband in Europe, I'm going 4 years and then what he had name. Why is the Haji we ever had name?
All the possible no one day. Despite that now high rate of €1 I can work with innocent ones. Believe me. Like just like we keep on saying about our sister, say 90%. So I can work with a rate. Now we don't food. I don't condemn everybody. But the point is that the rate is the high, over high. That is the point. Coming back to this, our brother Uloku. My brother, give one you that in head to Adro, and that like na enough reason it happen on your that comment. I'm feeling able somebody with they are now support to their wife in where machine now work on them. And Marama that na Ebronye Udorunye Gina machine because ni not also near abroad. That means in a new license. Now Baba Yilo. Because at a time, machine now man pay enough. Okay, like we work normal feelings.
One minute. So in a while now, 2 and no. I want a woman in Nigeria. And see a mommy, and what go to machine, you will need to do with that. Be so license, you want you look at now 1 year.
You license, you want you.
In the shop.
Oh, for that, Futiana, Name, I can't wear come, or will you when I come when we're done? No. Because at a time, okay, work with that feeling that's not other enough. And again, I didn't want to start discussion start alone. If I don't want to discuss, I can go with one. A mama in a near space, in 1 or 2 things. So that's why sometimes someone discussion is question pute. So again, when you get license, just go to machine dobe.
What that is in a while now, in one Nigeria, all this thing, baby, and when I who see a member, and then cousin.
Am I sure near? No, he will not show her. He need the able. Give her attention. Give her on the phone. Spend their time. Near attention. With time, that feelings are not. But from that, carry the horse, the feelings will go for that moment.
Somebody conjigi na second a conjigi. Can you get the hair up when I can? It's an abron a conjigi.
You need the wake up, give me on the phone now. You need to play some words, see me a corner feelings more. And at the time, a bit of discussion can come clear down. You get to make a conjigi, I say, I'm going to say meeting money.
Mano get one no here, Sena, Eweroda, Kokogena, your wife, you need the hair at all because of here. I don't know.
Yes, because of that, Ekuto who is about that machine. He was like daddy, the personally for in Akika at all. I can't do a pony. A personally got that. I won't get discuss no where Carlos see me, you know, only Imagono on the way finish. That is normal. You know how to handle that by in your attention that moment. When I carry my care, I when I can be on phone, we are maybe mail like this. When I carry a video call and all that. From there, but another discussion. It's just like here and I see my vet and all that. What can I about that moon to be is either you get off from where you are, move up area, may 1 or 2 things. The mindset up what? So in order for the near attention, Guinea, Paria, Korea, from there discussion Zabepa. But over come by Beco, okay, to go to a guard to a machine. My brother, license Guinea here. Because the machine will not be enough. And no watch out from money or no so game here. So apart from that, here has always some women there were a reason to cheat or just not the fan bala. o nwere reason ha hapụgodu nke nwoke ka ọzọ bụrụ onwe ha nwere reason ihe a bụ you find out that na the man ji ego, the man na-enye attention ke maka ọdụkọ nọ inube story na nwoke anụgo m the story afụgo m ihe na nwoke tetara ụla daa nwunye 2 times around 3 early in the morning. After that ebe 6-7 ọ daa nwunye wee pụọ na-agbapụta azụ na-chiete back iweta ihe n'ụlọ ebe 8:30 ọbụna getman na-ada nwunye 2 times in the morning before ọ gaba ọrụ o chefuo ife na-chiete jide nwunye na getman. What are you looking for? So my just there, all just there. Otu ọ dịkwa mụ ebe ụmụ nwoke nọkwa o, but ụmụ nwaanyị dị too much.
One minute. And why America by go to your mic? Why am I go to your mic? You go on.
Good morning, everybody.
Good afternoon from this side.
Don Mike, I want to ask you a question. Now, are you married?
Yes.
Don Mike.
Yes.
Okay, you're married. Okay. Anyway, from my discussion now go on, there's no human being that will support a woman non-adi. IGBO. It's no. I got ihe ọjọọ. That is number 1. Number 2. Somebody do question. You see a man who first wife, second wife, third wife. The person will say the person onye na anu nwaanyị Igbo nke izi nke Igbo nke ịtọ ka ihe mezi isi na onwe ike nwere lọk nwaanyị. Ndị be anyị sịrị na ihe dị nwaanyị si agadi nwaanyị danda adọ na abụ ajụọ ihe ọkpọ n'ukwu ewu. A man nụrụ nwaanyị nke izizi ọwa ọkụrụ onwere lọk, ọnụ nke Igbo ọwa ọkụrụ onwere lọk, ọwa nke ịtọ ọwa ọkụrụ. Nna a ga-achọ nwoke ahụ ihe, which is the truth. There's one thing I don't like about people. Let's face the facts. There's facts. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo, anyị nwere omenala. But let's not forget that now things, social media, let me just leave social media. Time have changed so many things. Plus ihe anyị na-afụ anya ma nke anyị na-anọ na ntị ma the things not happening. Another thing I want to say is that I say why I'm not supporting nwaanyị ịgba n'ilo. Or anything that will justify it. But most of you men never say open or work when you black yana. You are telling to why in Nigeria. Any woman on a diaspora, dear, open no one in abroad. Working abroad, can you borrow ni Roma again? You got try ya no but don't. Will you try it? Because if you try it, remember that no now. But because I had on a Nigeria, I say dear Banilo, have black Hannah. But don't know Bodo, but the same wow. How Banilo, ha gave me a Kawunya Hamal, ha got try ya because I'm not Nazi Hagana, I'm a that house. Because Nandino Nigeria, and we whom in Nigeria depend 100% on their husbands. Listen to me.